Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into how to switch the language settings on Polybuzz, making your experience more personalized. First things first, let's navigate to the settings menu in your Polybuzz app. Look for the gear icon typically found in the top corner of your screen. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Language Settings. This is where you can change your language preference. Now, tap on the language section. You'll see a list of available languages. Simply choose your preferred language from the list. After selecting your language, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen and click on it to confirm the switch. If you encounter any issues with the language settings, such as the language not updating, try restarting the app or checking for updates. Now that you've switched your language, explore Polybuzz. Enjoy the app in your chosen language and all the new features it brings. To recap, we navigated to Settings, located the language option, selected our preferred language, saved our changes, and tackled troubleshooting. Easy, right?